Good morning, dear students. I am Prachi Agrawal Nathani from GNA PG College Bhattapara. Today I am back with some of the prose work, that is Ba, My Mother, a Person, a Woman by the most famous writer Darshana Dholakia. In this, we will see about the story of Ba, My Mother, a Person, a Woman. About the author, we will see about the author. Darshana Dholakia is a well-known contemporary Gujarati writer and critic. Okay, so Darshana Dholakia is a Gujarati writer and critic. She has many essays to her credit. She has published 17 books in Gujarati, including the translation of Konkani novel Carmeline. So she has written 17 books in Gujarati. Her books Narsinha Charitra Vimarsha, Narsingh Mehta and Gujaratna Sarjakono Prathmik Sushakshana have been awarded by the Gujarati Sahitya Parishad. She is also the recipient of the prestigious Rashtriya Sahitya Academy Award in the Best Translation category in 2011 for Kamilin. Besides, she has received Dr. Jayant Khatri Bakulesh Award for notable contribution to Gujarati literature. She works as the professor and head of Department of Gujarati KSKV Kutch University in Bhuj, Kutch, Gujarat, India. So, Darshana Dholakia is a versatile genius. She has written 17 books in Gujarati. She has translated so many works and she has won so many awards. She has received so many awards like Gujarati Sahitya Parishad Award, Rashtriya Sahitya Academy Award for Best Translation in category in 2011. Besides this, she has also received Bakulesh Award for her notable contribution to Gujarati literature. Means गुजराती लिटरेचर में उनको बकुलेश अवार्ड जो होता है वो भी मिला गया है एंड अभी वो प्रोफेसर है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी इन भुज. ठीक है. अबाउट द ट्रांसलेटर, Mr. Ashok Vaishnav is an Ahmedabad-based retired management professional. In his long career spanning over 38 years, he worked in small to medium large engineering companies as freelancer, trainer and process facilitator. About this article by My Mother, a Person, the present article is taken from her book परिचय पर्व अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. तो किससे लिया गया है? परिचय पर्व करके उनकी बुक है, उससे लिया गया है, विच इज़ अ बुक ऑफ इंट्रोडक्टरी पैन पोर्ट्रेट्स एंड एंथोलॉजी ऑफ शॉर्ट कैरेक्टराइजेशन ऑफ जनरल great personalities, close relatives and friends, distilled from subtle observation of their lives made by the author. This article portrays the author's mother रसिकबाला ढोलकिया. तो ये किसके बारे में बताता है? राइटर की, ऑथर की मदर के बारे में, जिसका नाम है रसिकबाला ढोलकिया. The author delineates her mother's way of instilling the sense of self-respect and self-esteem in her. It brings out the significance of a mother's role in process of socialization of children in the context of Indian family system. It also defines mother as the person in the whom life receives a form suitable for living in this world. So, Ba, My Mother, a Person, a Woman is a beautiful account of a girl talking about her late mother who is dead and fondly remembering everything about her. So beautifully enriched in this story. It is a story about parents who are our heroes. Ba, the women in context here, was a real legend, a perfect wife, daughter, sister and mother. Ba was not just the center of the family, but when it came to the author, she was the center of her world too. This story is a testimony of the daily hard work. So, in this, we will study this. Okay. Now, during the course of my life, I have met many people. Now, this writer is telling, author is telling about her mother, बा बा गुजराती में मदर को बोला जाता है. During the course of my life, I have met many people, getting acquainted with some, knowing others intimately. Whenever I go down memory lane, I see all these faces, but there is one face that stays uppermost in my memory, that of my mother Ba. It has been over a decade since she passed away, but even today I look back to see her as a person, as a woman. In fact, my current perspective of her is far more objective than it was then. Now that she is physically not besides me, the different facets of her personality at different levels keep unfolding in front of me. I was born when Ba was 39 years old, in the context to the period when child marriages was a common convention. That age could fairly be termed as an old age. So, in first paragraph, the writer is telling about her mother Ba, कि उसकी मम्मा कैसे थी, उसकी माँ कैसी थी, और उन्होंने बहुत सारे लोगों से मिला है. She has met number of faces, but she has not seen a person like her mother. From the very next morning until her death, Ba remained clad in a borderless black sari. तो उनके पापा की डेथ हो जाती है. जो राइटर है, जो ऑथर है, उनके फादर की डेथ हो जाती है. तो इसके बारे में बता रहे हैं कि जिस दिन उनकी डेथ हुई तब से उनकी माँ ने एक ब्लैक साड़ी, बॉर्डरलेस ब्लैक साड़ी पहनी थी. लाइट ब्लू कलर का ब्लाउज था और बेयर फुट थी, खाली पैर थी. एंड अनरूली ऑयल फ्री और ड्राई हेयर्स थे. More than conformance to the social convention, this state of being expressed Ba's silent revolt against her fate. However, this never affected Ba's positive attitude towards life. Ba's unwavering commitment to life was all her three children, particularly me, despite being emotionally shattered by the death of her husband. तो इस में ये बता रही है ऑथर कि उनके भा मीन्स फादर, बा मीन्स मदर एंड भा मीन्स फादर, उनकी भा की डेथ हो जाती है. उसके बाद भी उनकी जो मदर है वो अपने तीनों बच्चों को, बिकॉज ही वॉज द यंगेस्ट ऑफ ऑल दी थ्री सन्स, उनके पहले दो और बड़े भाई थे, तो ही वॉज द यंगेस्ट ऑफ थ्री. तो बता रहे हैं इसमें कि उनके फादर के चले जाने के बाद भी कितना पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड लेके उनकी मदर वो तीनों भाई बहनों को अच्छे से संभाली है. डिस्पाइज बिंग इमोशनली शैटर्ड, मतलब इमोशनली टूट जाने के अलावा शी रिमेन्ड वेरी मच पावरफुल आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हर हस्बैंड की डेथ होने के बाद भी वो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ आगे बढ़ती है कि मुझे तीनों चिल्ड्रन को देखना है अपने, और मैं अगर अच्छे से रहूँगी तो ये लोग भी अच्छे से रहेंगे, इसीलिए वो बोलती है इसमें. ठीक है. नाउ बा रिमेन्ड composed till the end of her life, मतलब बा remained composed till the end of her life means बा हमेशा consistent रही. उनकी मदर जो थी राइटर की, वो अपनी चीज़ों को लेके हमेशा consistent रही, कभी भी डाउट नहीं था उनको, या कभी भी वो अपसेट नहीं होती थी. और कभी अगर ऐसा कोई टॉपिक छिड़ भी जाता था उनके हस्बैंड से रिलेटेड, वो अपने बच्चों पे उनका ध्यान को डाइवर्ट कर देती थी बात. ठीक है. एज अ स्किलफुल होम मेकर, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्किलफुल होम मेकर थी बा. वो कभी भी पीछे बैकआउट नहीं करती थी और हमेशा अच्छे से तीनों बच्चों को लेके रहती थी. उनके अंदर एक ग्रीव ज़रूर था. बा साइलेंट रिवॉल्ट अगेंस्ट हर फेट, उनके अंदर था कि ये ऐसा कैसा हो गया, मेरे हस्बैंड की डेथ इतनी जल्दी कैसे हो गई. बट अलॉन्ग विद दिस ऑल्सो शी स्टूड very harsh and very positive towards life. As a skillful homemaker and caring mother, she kept herself busy with embroidering, sewing and weaving. To instill all these skills in me, I remember an incident where Dr. Chandra Joshi, a renowned academician of Kutch, was visiting at our home. Ba had embroidered "Welcome and please be seated" on the cushion covers. While taking a seat on that chair, Dr. Joshi joyfully commented, "Now nothing remains to be done by anyone to welcome guests in your house." Growing up in a society riddled with dogma and tradition, seeds of aspiration and awareness of being a woman were instinctively sown by the silent firmness of my mother. Whenever Ba perceived pity or sympathy for me in the eyes of others, she would tenderly take away the pain of absence of my father from those moments. This was her way of instilling a sense of self-respect and self-esteem in me. In that orthodox and conservative period, widows had to confine themselves to the dark and dingy rooms wherein not a single ray of sun would touch their feet. Every evening, Ba would hold my hand and take me to the main gate of our house that opened into the public road to sit there for a while. Today, I take even more pride in Ba's revolt against dogmas and conventions of their time than I did then. As I grew up, Ba's persona too grew like a huge tree in my mind, taking me to school, putting covers on my new notebooks, affectionately caressing them while doing so, teaching me not to shed tears on nurtured me with love, affection, and care. Helping her in the kitchen was a lesson in humility. I could never ask her what she needed. I was supposed to not only anticipate her needs but also fulfill them instantly. Any sleep in manners or in work was punished by her refusal to speak with me. After much carefully, she would start to converse, but in short, crisp sentences. No choice of food was ever entertained in meats, where whatever was served had to be consumed. Her response to my refusal to eat certain foods was, "If you eat less now, your stomach will be better." So, in this slide, this paragraph, in this we come to know that how Ba was a skillful homemaker and a very caring mother. तो वो अपने आप को किस में बिजी रखती थी? शी यूज़ टू डू एम्ब्रॉयडरी, शी यूज़ टू डू स्विंग मतलब कपड़े बुनने का काम करती थी, वीविंग करने का काम करती थी, एंड टू इंस्टिल ऑल द स्किल्स इन मी। और वो चाहती थी कि दर्शना के ढोलकिया के भी मन में लाइफ में ये सब स्किल्स आया। ठीक है। और जब वो डॉक्टर जोशी आने वाले थे तो उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन बनाया था जिसमें एक क्वेश्चन में वेलकम लिखा था और दूसरे में प्लीज़ बी सीटेड। तो जो डॉक्टर जोशी थे वो इतने हैप्पी हो गए, वो बोले कि नाउ नथिंग रिमेन्स टू बी डन बाय एनीवन टू वेलकम गेस्ट इन योर हाउस। इतना अच्छा वेलकम आप लोग ने करा है। अब जब भी बा कभी भी दर्शना के आइज़ में सिंपैथी देखती थी या पिटी देखती थी तो वो अपने फादर के एब्सेंस के लिए अगर सैड हो जाती थी तो उसको हटा देती थी। Upon returning home from a trip outside, we were expected to intimately change from formal dress to routine casual wear. The formal clothes has to be folded correctly and put under the mattress for pressing. तो जब भी वो लोग घर आते थे तो एक उनके घर में रिचुअल रहता था कि कपड़े जो बाहर के आए हैं उसको उतार के चेंज करके कैजुअल वेयर में आ जाते थे। नॉट अ मोमेंट्स डिले वॉज एक्सेप्टेड फॉर दैट। तो बा को बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं था कि ये टास्क के लिए कोई भी डिले हो, मतलब कोई भी अगर बाहर से घर में एंटर कर रहे तो वो तुरंत चेंज करे फिर ही मैट्रेस में जाए। And if all I delayed the task, Ba would not scold me but would take it upon herself to complete the task. The resulting humiliation was her way of punishment. Ba's simple maxim was, in our absence too, to our existence should be felt and noticed. That is what a disciplined life is all about. Following traditions of a time in the presence of her elder members of the family, Ba would not exchange a single word with her children. We were expected to remain standing in front of the elders to be seated on the floor. Ba too did the same. Chairs or sofas were beyond imagination. She was an inspiration for us, and her method of teaching was practice before you preach. I don't remember a single time when Ba made anyone sit and listen to her. According to her, learning was an instinctive and involuntary process, and teaching was not a process of imposing but that of instilling. Ba was brought about in a rustic ambience. Her education ended after grade 7. After her marriage, she moved to Bhuj, considered a big city. Then her life revolved around domestic chores. Despite this, she contributed positively to every sphere of her family's life. Ba had innate school for a major translation of mine. As Ba and I waited outside the principal's chamber, my eyes were filled with tears. The principal came out of his chamber and, upon seeing me, ordered me to stand up. As I struggled to get up, Ba boldly told the principal, "The school hours are now over, so she shall not stand up. You have called us to complain. Please tell us what you have to." इसमें देखने को मिल रहा है कि जो बा है वो काफ़ी रिजिड है और वो काफ़ी अपने डिसिप्लिन के लिए फर्म है, ठीक है। वो अलग अलग ट्रेडिशन फॉलो करती थी विद द एल्डर मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली, ठीक है। एल्डर मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली, बा वुड नॉट एक्सचेंज अ सिंगल वर्ड विद हर चिल्ड्रेन। कोई अगर बड़ा बैठा है तो उनके बीच में वो कभी भी नहीं बोलती थी। शी नेवर इंटरप्टेड व्हेन दी डिस्कशन और कन्वर्सेशन हैज़ बीन गोइंग इन द फैमिली। एंड वो खुद भी नहीं बैठती थी किसी बड़ों के सामने और अपने चिल्ड्रंस को भी वही सिखाती थी कि किसी के सामने भी, एल्डर लोग के सामने, यू डोंट हैव टू सीट, और इफ़ यू वांट टू सीट यू हैव टू सिट ऑन दी फ्लोर। बा टू डिड दी सेम, वो खुद भी ऐसा ही करती थी। चेयर, सोफ़ा और ये सब तो बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन था। और बा का एक रिचुअल था, वो बोलती थी कि हम डांट के मार के अगर हम बच्चों को सिखाएंगे तो वो नहीं सीख सकते हैं। दे वुडंट लर्न। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, लर्निंग इज़ एन इंस्टिंक्टिव प्रोसेस। इफ़ समबडी इज़ इंटरेस्टेड टू लर्न, he can और she can learn instinctively, मतलब हमारे इंस्टिंक्ट से आता है कि हमको, क्योंकि लर्निंग इज़ अ इनवॉलेंट्री प्रोसेस है। किसी के बोलने से या किसी के फोर्स करने से हम बैठ तो जाते हैं, लेकिन हमारा माइंड मीन्स फिजिकली वी आर देयर बट मेंटली समवेयर एल्स, तो ये चीज़ नहीं होना चाहिए। बा का लाइफ बहुत ही सिंपल सोबर रही है एंड शी वॉज वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड। The principal was stunned. Thereafter, the principal always told me, "Don't bring your grandma to school. I am scared of her." तो प्रिंसिपल के पास वो लोग जब जाते हैं तो वो बोलता है, स्टैंड अप क्यों नहीं हुई तुम? तो दर्शना की जो बा है वो बोलती है, अभी तो स्कूल टाइम ओवर हो गया है, अब क्यों वो खड़ी होगी? तो प्रिंसिपल दर्शना को बोलता है, डोंट ब्रिंग योर ग्रैंडमा टू स्कूल, आई एम स्केर्ड ऑफ हर। वो बहुत ही स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है। बा ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड मी टू हैव अ हाई सेल्फ esteem yet never be arrogant. While addressing an elderly person in writing, Ba insisted upon the use of the word murra be respected in any elder salutation and pranam obeisances in the complimentary closure of the letter. I have invariably followed this practice thereafter in all my correspondence. Her maxim was, one who bows is liked by God. Seeing the complex patterns of relations in the family, sometimes I would get agitated. Ba would soothe me by saying, we should never change our colors and should be faithful to the relation till the end. In spite of suffering disillusionments in relationships, Ba continued to put in more than share to sustain the relationship. बा अपने बच्चों को हमेशा अच्छी सीख देती थी। बा परफॉर्म्ड ऑल रोल्स असाइंड टू हर वंडरफुली एंड कॉन्शियसली। With unflinching devotion, she served my ailing grandmother in the last stage of her life. She tried to fill the loneliness of her widowed elder brother with love and companionship. Ba showered her care and love on all, be they known, unknowns, and neighbors. My father's maternal family was close to us and lived with us. Ba looked after all the brother-in-law and sister-in-law with motherly affection. Wit, irony, and humor flowed naturally in the family and enriched our lower middle-class household. With sweet innocence, Ba shared memories of her marital life. For all the 32 years, my father showered love upon Ba without a tinge of male dominance. हमको इसमें पता चल रहा है कि बा अपनी चीज़ों के लिए कितनी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है। वो काफ़ी हाई, वो चाहती थी दर्शना हमेशा हाई से, उसकी जो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट है, सेल्फ इस्टीम है, वो हमेशा हाई रहे, ना कि एरोगेंट रहे। दर्शना कभी भी एरोगेंट नहीं रहे और अपने बच्चों को कभी भी गलत सीख नहीं देती थी और बोलती थी कि आपको अपना रूप कितना भी हो जाए, यू शुड नेवर चेंज वी शुड नेवर चेंज अवर कलर्स इन अवर रिलेशनशिप। हमको रिलेशनशिप में रहते रहते किसी के सामने भी कलर चेंज नहीं करना चाहिए, मतलब अपना रूप नहीं बदलना चाहिए। हमको हमेशा अपने रिलेशनशिप को सस्टेन करना चाहिए। बा परफॉर्म ऑल रोल्स, बा जो अपना रोल है वो बहुत ही कॉन्शियसली और वंडरफुली निभाती थी, ऐसा ऑथर बोलती है अपनी माँ के बारे में। चाहे वो ब्रदर इन लॉ हो, सिस्टर इन लॉ हो, या फिर कोई भी मैटरनल फैमिली, वो लोग अपने मैटरनल फैमिली के साथ रहते थे, मतलब पापा के फैमिली के साथ रहते थे। तो जितनी भी चीज़ें होती थी हाउस होल्ड में, विट, आयरनी, ह्यूमर के साथ नेचुरली फैमिली में बा सबको लेके चलती थी। उनकी एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली थी जिसमें वो लोग ऑल रोल जितने भी दिए गए थे बा को, शी सर्व्ड इट वेरी वंडरफुली। ग्रैंड मदर को भी अच्छे से रखती थी। ओके, सो शी वॉज वेरी स्वीट एंड इनोसेंस। An unspoken understanding between my parents was the need for family planning. They both walked together in life hand in hand in perfect harmony. Such was Ba's devotion to my father that she avoided family occasion if she had to attend them without her husband, and consequently she had earned the titles madly in love with her husband. She accepted it with pleasure. She rarely visited her father's house, which was just a short distance away, and it was a rare occasion on which she agreed to stay back at her father's house. My father would dutifully turn up to take her home, and Ba would happily return with him. Both my mother and father confessed with great pleasure that this happened every time, and that too without any prior understanding. When Ba was 33, tragedy struck in the family and my father's favorite niece lost her husband. My father was heartbroken. Ba stood by my father like a true companion, and they both supported his niece in rebuilding her life. Her empathetic nature came to fare, and along with my father's niece, Ba renounced wearing colorful clothes and ornaments, instinctively sharing norms of widowhood. My father passed away at the age of just 55 when the family was preparing for my elder brother's marriage. Both my brothers were still struggling to stand up on their feet, and I was yet to enroll in school. The wedding ceremony was postponed, and gloom descended upon the family. After 6 months, the marriage was performed without much celebration. Ba, pushing aside sadness, cooked traditional sweets and welcomed my brother's bride as she stepped into our house for new life. Ba always chose to stand at the fringe to facilitate sufficient space for others, and because of this virtue, Ba always remained at the center of our family. In her absence, too, no one could ever escape her tender influence. Of course, Ba never felt attached to such feelings, not even remotely. तो एक म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग और म्यूचुअल कोऑपरेशन से उन दोनों का रिलेशन चलता था। कभी भी कोई भी फंक्शन में जाना होता था तो दर्शना के फादर और मदर मीन भा एंड बा, बोथ ऑफ देम गो टुगेदर इफ बिकॉज ऑफ ड्यू टू सम रीज़न ऐसा हो जाता था कि वो नहीं जा पाते थे तो बा भी उनके बिना कहीं नहीं जाती थी, एंड शी चोज टू स्टे विथ हर हस्बैंड ओनली। तो उनका ऐसा लव था, वो लोग मैडली इन लव थे विथ मीन्स बाय वॉज इन मैडली इन लव विथ हर हस्बैंड। सडनली ये हुआ कि व्हेन बा वॉज 30 ट्रू ट्रेजेडी हो गई एक उनकी फैमिली में। उनकी जो फेवरेट नीस थी उनका हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई थी, तो वो काफ़ी शॉक थे, बट उस टाइम पे भी उन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड का पूरा सपोर्ट किया। और एट द एज ऑफ 55, जब 55 साल के उनके फादर थे एंड 5 साल की जब दर्शना ढोलकिया थी तो उनके फादर की डेथ हो गई। और उनके भाई की जो मैरिज फिक्स हुई थी उसको भी आगे पोस्टपोन करना पड़ा और उसके भाई की शादी 6 महीने बाद हो गई थी. Despite being brought up in Orthodox society, Ba's modernity astonished me many a times. For the purpose of study and service, I often had to travel out of the station. Ba once said, "Now, your life is similar to a man's life. The world is what it is. God forbid, but if you become pregnant, never think about committing suicide. Life is a very precious. Give birth to the child and bring it up with pride. Today, when I think of her bold and proud approach to life, I wonder how far ahead of her time she was. Ba never praised or eulogized us despite her deepest love for us. It was an implicit manifestation of her detachment from emotions. She listened silently when anyone eulogized us. This unshaken detachment stood by her even at the time of death. She suffered a severe heart attack while doing household work on the night preceding the day of Mahashivratri, the night of Lord Shiva's birth. She endured unbearable pain for a full 60 minutes, but she continued to chant her prayers. Her last words to us were, "I have no worries about you. You are now grown up. The unrest I experience is that of death. Now I leave." Her last breath brought our 25-year-long journey of togetherness to an end. On the dawn of Shivratri, I relieved the same sorrow which I had experienced at the age of 5 on the demise of my father. Now the years are passing away, sons Ba, uh, yet I her Yet her clarity of thought and deep understanding of life are a part of my inner self. She had negligible education, yet she made so much her simple life and gave confidence to those around her. Ba lived on an open life devoid of promptly. She inculcated in us a very rich legacy of virtue values. Every night memories of Ba gently comes and sit up my eyelids. Ba asked me, "Are you asleep?" This is not done. There are many things still untold. I am engulfed by Ba's absence. I feel privileged to be Ba's daughter. I got her and then I lost her too. But I did. No, the bond between us remains intact to these days. She continues to live within me. I am very proud I have slept in the womb. So in this way the story ends up. Despite being very orthodox, her Ba was very modern kind of lady and very disciplined lady. बहुत ही modern थी. उसको एक pride होता था. Ba never praised or eulogized us or despite her deepest love for us कभी भी बा उनको शेमफुल नहीं होने दी. थैंक यू.